Okay, sorry, y'all. Sorry, let's pick up where you left off real quick. Here we go. Okay, I noticed that when I put both of those into my equation, I changed my window. Now if I press graph, I can see both the graphs. These two lines are parallel to each other, which is what the question was asking. They were trying to ask you, describe the difference between them. Well, now you should be able to see, here's your answer. They're parallel. They have the same slope. But balloon 2 is 100 feet higher. Kind of like when those two students had the signing bonus. One of them started higher up. Well, these have the exact same slope. They're parallel, but this one starts at 400. Balloon 3 starts at 500 feet. This last section, I want you to do on your own. As you can see, you will not see the answers. I call this the honors level section. It's really asking you to apply your knowledge and understanding. To get the answers to this, you will not pause the video and then press play. You'll have to go to Google Classroom. I'll take a picture of the correct answers, go to Google Classroom after you do it to see if it's correct. Once you're done with this, though, go ahead and start on tonight's homework. It's not long. It's just a bit tedious. I've already done one of them for you. Here's a copy of it. This first one's been done for you, but let me be clear. The amount of work I did to prove these answers, that's how I want you to do it. Prove to me how you're going to get each of these values. If you look, I gave you the values I want for x. You're going to substitute and solve for y. Once you have this table filled in, then you'll be able to plot the points on this graph. Then tell me what the slope is, what the y-intercept is. And then the same way we graded your homework yesterday, I gave you points and said, are those points on your graph? You're going to do that today. But how will you know? You'll substitute. For example, look at why there's a yes right here. 1016 is on this graph. I didn't get that by looking at the graph. I can't tell. That graph doesn't go to 1016. But I took this value and substituted it into the equation, 2x minus 4. When I substitute that in there, 16 equals 2 times 10 minus 4. Well, yeah, it does. 2 times 10 is 20. 20 minus 4 is 16. So this point is going to be on that graph. You figure out why this is a no, and then go ahead and start your homework. Get it done in class. You should still have plenty of time. If not, then you know that it's due tomorrow. And yes, you are going to grade it with your substitute teacher, just like you graded today's homework. Have a great day, y'all. I'll see you on Monday.